A beautiful, well-maintained lawn is a real showpiece for your home and garden. And with the right lawn care program, it's not that hard to get the rub of the green. Good mowing practice is essential. Most of us have a warm season grass, cooch, kikuyu, or a buffalo variety. These are active during the warmer months and in summer need mowing once a week or more, especially if you want the velvet look. In winter, it's much less, maybe monthly, depending on your location and growing conditions. If you've got a shade-tolerant buffalo like Sir Walter, keep it longer in the shade for better photosynthesis. It goes without saying, the good mowing equipment is a must. If your lawn gets too thick and spongy, it's due to a build-up of thatch, which is old lawn clippings and vegetation sitting on top of the soil just under the leaves. Now, this layer prevents air and water getting into the soil and can lead to difficult and uneven mowing. Now, you can fix it with scarifying, but scarifying has to be done at the right time of year where the lawn is actively growing and the soil temperature is at least 15 degrees. You can use a rake, you can hire a scarifying machine, or you can set the mower really low and pick up all of that debris, which will be significant. And then it's really important to follow up with fertilising and lots of water, and your lawn should be back to normal in 2 or 3 weeks. Compaction is another common problem due to wear and tear, preventing essential air and water penetration and the onset of some weeds. Aeration is the key. Small areas can be done with a garden fork or use a spiked roller or coring machine that you can hire. Follow this up with top dressing using river sand or a high sand content top dressing soil mix. Use a fertiliser every 6 weeks through the growing season, spring, summer and autumn. And there's no harm in mixing it up a bit. You can use organics, synthetics, slow release and fast-acting liquids. Now back off in winter, but by all means, keep up the sea salt just to maintain that healthy immune system.